Hello and welcome to the session on Chapter 11, Getting Appointed. So far, in our last chapter, we have learnt about the components of a resume, its formats, and a few ways of its preparation. Also, we have come across the stages of recruitment process. Today, as we proceed with the chapter, let us study about the skills that are considered to be vital for getting through the stages of recruitment process. Well, you must be wondering, what skills am I talking here about? You might even question, doesn't knowledge possessed by an individual graduating from the campus, along with a good academic progress, suffice in clearing these rounds of recruitment? Well, the answer is no. This is because the young professionals graduating from the campuses are not adequately equipped to face today's highly competitive and very demanding corporate world. The reason is these professionals have a very limited focus in the technology domain, which makes them capable of working only as a one-man army, producing what they read, with little emphasis on application and creativity. So, to find the suitable and fittest among these professionals, the corporate prefer a lengthy and difficult process of recruitment. And these stages of recruitment test the professionals on their skills that are over and above their technical knowledge and expertise in the chosen field, and also on those skills that are required for an individual to relate, survive, and succeed in his or her environment. Hence, it is very important for every job aspirant to possess all the necessary skills that are required for being job ready. As we saw in our last chapter, group discussion and job interview are the two most integral parts of recruitment that most of the corporates stress upon apart from preliminary and technical rounds of interview. This is because these rounds test the applicants on their communication skills, listening skills, questioning skills, comprehension skills, body language, perception skills, analytical and reasoning skills, leadership skills, and many other skills that a particular post in the organization relies upon. Emphasizing on these rounds of recruitment, in this chapter, let us learn about the various skills and preparations that one has to make in order to get appointed. To give you brief insights of the topics that we'll be covering in this chapter, we'll start by defining a group discussion, differentiate between group discussion and debate, and describe the types of group discussion. Following this, we shall describe the rules and scoring parameters of group discussion, list a few sample topics for group discussion, and explain about the generation of content for these group discussion topics. Moving on to the job interview section, we shall define job interview, explain its purpose, and discuss about the types of interviews. Identify the behaviors expected from a candidate during an interview and discuss about the parameters assessed in an interview. Also, discuss about the guidelines to be followed before, during, and after an interview. Lastly, we shall list the critical aspects of the offer letter and explain how an employee should handle initial phase of job, on-job situations, subordinates, and women employees. I hope you find this chapter interesting and useful in creating a bright career. Thank you.